This soldier's cry for help looks real, but it's fake. When you picture the war in Ukraine, you see tanks and trenches, but you're missing the real war. The most important battles aren't fought with bullets, they're fought with code. And that code isn't just controlling drones, it's controlling your mind. This is the story of the world's first AI war, fought on two fronts. On the battlefield, artificial intelligence is rewriting military power. But in cyberspace, it's rewriting reality itself. Today, we'll expose how AI is transforming warfare in 6 critical ways, from killer algorithms to mind-bending propaganda. And we'll show you how to fight back. From day one, Ukraine was outmatched. Smaller army, fewer weapons, less money. So they changed the game entirely with artificial intelligence. A captured Russian soldier said something chilling. "I never saw a single Ukrainian soldier, only drones. I only saw humans when I surrendered." But what he couldn't see was the invisible AI puppeteer. In 2024 alone, Ukraine produced over 1.5 million AI-guided drones. That's 1 drone for every 15 people. Here's the revolution. AI that's memorized every piece of Russian equipment can identify targets in seconds. A $400 drone, guided by artificial intelligence, can destroy a $50 million tank. In June 2025, one mission, Operation Spiderweb, used 117 AI-guided drones to destroy 41 Russian aircraft. Billions in damage from drones that cost less than a car. This AI revolution isn't just changing Ukraine. It's reshaping global power. Putin once said, "Whoever leads in AI will become the ruler of the world." That's no longer a prediction, it's a battle cry. The world's superpowers are locked in an AI arms race that makes the Cold War look simple. Right now, in every major capital, military strategists are rewriting their playbooks based on what's happening in Ukraine. The future of warfare is being written in code. But there's a second front in this AI war, and this one targets you. In 2022, a deepfake showed President Zelensky surrendering. 15 million people viewed it before it was debunked. By 2025, BBC Verify reports that 25% of war videos circulating online are AI-generated fakes. Russia's latest? Fake Ukrainian commanders calling for military coup. But you can fight back. Watch for the clues. Unnatural lip sync, glitchy edges around faces, inconsistent lighting. AI's turning propaganda into a precision weapon, but it's not perfect yet. Meet the Invisible Army, AI-powered bot networks. NATO tracked 500,000 Russian bots in 2025, pumping out pro-war propaganda with 10 million weekly engagements. These accounts, often just days old, flood Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram with coordinated lies. They're designed to look human, but they're pure algorithm. Check the warning signs. New profiles with generic photos, repetitive posting patterns, and engagement that seems too good to be true. Don't let the bots fool you. But AI can fight back against AI. Ukraine's OSAVU detection system has issued 1.2 million misinformation alerts since March 2025. Watch this. A fake missile strike report gets debunked in seconds by analyzing video metadata, cross-referencing multiple sources, and detecting AI-generated elements. Tools like Mantis Analytics and INVID are your digital shields. They're free, they're fast, and they're your best defense against the lie machine. The cruelest weapon? AI-generated psychological attacks. Russia has deployed fake distress calls from supposed Ukrainian civilians, designed to break morale and spread panic. Reuters debunked several of these in June 2025, but not before they caused a 12% drop in civilian morale. Imagine hearing that your city has fallen, only to discover it's a lie designed to break your spirit. These attacks target your emotions, not your logic. The defense: verify every claim, especially the ones that make you feel the strongest emotions.
Social media platforms have become active battlefields. TikTok and Telegram host 30 million monthly views of AI-generated war misinformation. TikTok removed 1.5 million misleading clips in Q2 2025 alone, but millions more slipped through. Every share, every like, every comment can amplify the artificial lies. Your power? Don't share what you can't verify. Every post you share without checking could be ammunition in the information war.
But AI isn't just spreading lies, it's also delivering justice. Ukraine's use of Clearview facial recognition technology has identified over 10,000 Russian soldiers for potential war crimes prosecutions. The ICC has used AI-assisted evidence in over 500 cases since 2024. Faces matched from social media posts, locations verified through satellite imagery, war crimes tracked with algorithmic precision. But this power comes with a cost: privacy, surveillance, and the question of who controls these digital truth seekers.
What's happening in Ukraine isn't staying in Ukraine. These AI weapons, both physical and informational, are spreading worldwide. The innovations born from Ukraine's desperation are becoming humanity's new reality. We're not just witnessing a war, we're witnessing the birth of a new era.
Ukraine's AI war has two faces: brilliant innovation and dangerous deception. It's transforming how wars are fought and how truth is defined. Here are your 4 digital safety shields. Shield 1. Check videos for glitches, unnatural movements, and inconsistent lighting. Shield 2. Verify account age and posting patterns before trusting social media content. Shield 3. Use AI detection tools like Osavo and Invid to verify suspicious content. Shield 4. Cross-check claims with multiple trusted, independent sources.
The future of conflict is here, fought with algorithms and lies as much as bombs and bullets. The question isn't whether AI will change warfare, it's whether you'll be ready for the war on truth. Stay informed, stay skeptical, and stay human in an increasingly artificial world.